What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to run, compile C++ programs from the terminal. So without further ado, let's start the video. CD desktop then terminal. This is just a directory I have. ls-l. Okay, so that is the program that we are compiling today, a basic Hello World program in C++. So the command to compile this program is G++, then the program name, prog1.cpp -o, then /prog1, enter, and there you go. That's how you compile a C++ program from the terminal. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.